Snuggle your journaling around elements on your page with a custom text box. This video is being filmed in Photoshop. Here's a preview of what we'll be creating together. I'll be showing you how you can use the Polygonal lasso tool and the type tool together to make a custom text box on your own pages. I've already opened the custom text box template from the download folder and pressed the letter D to reset the colored chips to the default of black over white. In the Layers panel, click on the Replace Paint layer to activate it. Then get the Polygonal lasso tool, and in the tool options, click on the new selection icon, set the feather to 0, and check anti-aliasing. On the document, click to place a series of segments that loosely outlines the shape you want your type to fill. I'll start below the title on the right side. When placing the segments, you want to snuggle it closely enough to the elements to create a connection and avoid trapped space. However, you'll also want to avoid placing it too closely, or your journaling may appear crowded. To undo a segment, press the backspace key, delete key on a Mac. To close the selection, click at the beginning of the first segment. Next, we're going to convert the selection to a path. In the Paths panel, click on the Make Work Path from Selection icon. It's the circle with the 4 anchor points on it. The selection should now be outlined with anchor points. Now it's time to add some journaling. To do this, get the horizontal type tool. In the tool options, open the font picker and choose a journaling style font. I'm using Myriad Pro Regular. When choosing a font, make sure to use an easy-to-read font, a print style font, or a handwritten font. Use a font size of 12 to 14 points for journaling. Avoid hard-to-read fonts and script-style fonts. And also, you'll want to avoid using all capital letters. Back in the tool options, set the size to 12 and press Enter or Return. Click on the left align icon, and in the Character panel, set the leading to Auto and the tracking to 0. On the document, hover the cursor inside the custom text box until you see the I-beam with the dotted circle around it. Click once to place the cursor and then type your journaling. Click the check mark to commit the type. Lastly, finish the page as desired and save the document as a layered PSD file with a unique name. Here's my finished page using the kit named Choices by Vicki Robinson Designs. It was so nice to have my journaling snuggled between the photo and the elements on my page. I can't wait to see what you come up with using this technique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.